How to sign up to Diablo 4. So if you want to sign up to Diablo 4, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for Diablo. And after searching, here you can go for diablo.com. You can simply go and open up the website. And here you can simply go for account, which is on the upper right. And then from here you can go for sign up. So if you want to create your account, then go for sign up. And now you can sign up using all of these options, but you can also start by these process. So I'll be just going with the process. Enter your country or your region, and then enter your date of birth. Ideally, first enter your month, and then your date, and then your year, and continue. And now you have to enter your name, and after entering your first and last name, you can click on continue. And then you have to enter your email address or your phone number, but if you don't want to enter your phone number, then that is optional. Simply enter your email address and then continue. And here you have to click all of these boxes so that you agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on agree. And here you have to set your password. Make sure to enter a strong password. And after that you can click on continue. And now you have to create your tag, like battle tag. So if you are okay with this, then you can simply click on continue. So that's it. That's how you create it. Now you can download the battle.net app, and then you can play your game. So that's it. Now your account has been created. So that's how you create your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.